Hello guys, I'm Sonali. I welcome you all for online tutorials of Java programming. In my previous video, we have discussed about a Java program to convert binary to decimal number. Okay, so in continuation with that, in today's video, we are going to learn Java program to convert decimal to binary number. Okay. A decimal number has base 10 and a binary number has base 2. In decimal to binary conversion, the base of two number also changes. The number also changes, that is from base 10 to base 2. All the decimal numbers have its equivalent binary numbers. These binary numbers are majorly used in computer applications where it is used for programming or coding purpose. This is because computers understand the language of binary digits 0 and 1. Okay. Once we give the input to the computer system in the decimal form, it converts them into binary digits, perform the required operations and provide the output with into decimal form again. Okay. Now learn here how the decimal number can be represented here in binary form. I have shown in this figure. Now see here, I will take number 29 and base is a 2. 29 is a dividend and 2 is a divisor. Okay. Then check 14 was a 14 and 14 to the 28. Then we'll get remainder is 1. Okay. Then 17 ones are 7 and 7 ones are 7. 7 to the 14. 14. Okay. Then we'll get remainder 0. Then check 3 ones are 3. 3 to the 6. Then we'll get remainder 1. Then 2 ones are 1. Then we'll get remainder 1. Okay. Now see here, read the reminders from the bottom of MSB to LSB. MSB means most significant bit and LSB means least significant bit. Okay. Read the reminders from the bottom up. Okay. 1 1 1 0 1. 29 decimal is equal to convert binary 1 1 1 0 1. Okay. Now coming to the program. Now see here, first of all I will create public class decimal to binary Inside this class I will create main method public static void main of string args. Inside this main method I will take one integer number, integer decimal is equal to 29. Here I will take 29 number. Here we can take any decimal number. Okay. Then semicolon. Then to convert decimal to binary, Java has a method integer dot to binary string binary bin is equal to integer dot to binary binary string method. Here I will use of to convert decimal DEC variable. Okay. The method returns a string representation of the integer argument as an unsigned integer in base 2. Okay. Then I am printing message system dot out dot println of a message is the decimal number is plus decimal DEC variable, then semicolon. Here display the decimal value. Okay. Then second message I am printing system dot out dot println of message is the binary number is plus bin variable, then semicolon. Here I will use plus because concatenate string. Okay. Now here display the bin string which consists of the binary value. Here I will use bin variable. Okay. Now let's run the program and see the output and check what will be the output. Okay. Now look at the decimal number is I will take 29 and convert to the binary number is 11101. Okay. Suppose here we can take any number, here decimal, here I will take any number, here I will take number is 15. Okay. Now let's run the program and see the output and check what will be the output. Now look at the decimal number is I will take 15 and then convert binary number is 1111. Okay. I hope you guys understand this logic. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to receive notification regarding more videos from this video series. We will meet you in another video. Thank you very much.